Boys and girls, hello! My name is Maria. Today I'm gonna make twig crayons. If you want to play along, here's what you need. Twigs, a box of paint, a brush, water to wash your brush, color pencils, a pair of scissors, a roll of tape, some paper towels. Also, print out these sheets in the description of this video. And you should put on your smock before you start. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's begin. First of all, look for some twigs and pick them up. You need 8 or more. Break them into short sticks when they are too long. When you have enough twigs, wash away the dirt with water. Then let's dry them off for a whole day. 24 hours later, try to touch your twigs and be sure that they are not wet at all. If they are still wet, make them dry until they are completely dry. And then let's paint your twigs. You can use any color you like. Red, blue, yellow. Don't forget to paint cross sections of your stick. Yellow, white, black, and if you want to paint with some more colors, you can mix 2 or 3 colors. For instance, you get purple when you mix red and blue together. Now you have the color purple. When you mix red and yellow together, you'll get orange. It's orange. Try to mix yellow and blue together. Look, it's green. Red and white make pink. See? You can use the color pink. When you mix red, yellow, and blue together, you get brown. White and black make gray. And if you want to make the color lighter, you'd better add white to it. On the contrary, if you want to make the color darker, you'd better add a little bit of black to it. Look, you made the color aqua. It's getting darker. Teal. Try to make the color green lighter. This is the color lime. line. This time, try to make the color green darker. Now you made the color olive. Olive. When you make the color brown lighter, you'll get tan. See? This is tan. Tan. You can make extra colors too. When you finish making colors and painting with them, dry off your sticks. Let's make rolling papers for crayons while you are drying your sticks. Do you have these seeds and something to color with? Good. Now we are ready. Can you see the names of colors? Let's check and find out. R-E-D spells red. B-L-U-E spells blue. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. G-R-E-E-N spells green. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange. P-U-R-P-L-E spells purple. W-H-I-T-E spells white. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Let's move on to the next seed. P-I-N-K spells pink. B-R-O-W-N spells brown. T-A-N spells tan. G-R-A-Y spells gray. L-I-M-E spells lime. O-L-I-V-E spells olive. A-Q-U-A spells aqua. And the last one, T-E-A-L spells teal. Color these rectangles with each color. First, take a red pencil and color it in. There, red. Keep going. Blue. Yellow. Green. Orange. Purple. White. Black. Keep going. Pink. Brown. Tan. Gray. Lime. Olive. Aqua. Teal. If you made some unique colors, use the third seed without any name of colors. You can Google to know the name of color that you made. Write down the name in a rectangle and color it in as well. Good. Have you done with coloring? Alright, let's cut out these rectangles. Then, match the rolling papers with the sticks that you painted and wrap them around your sticks. Wrap the rolling paper tight and tape it. this is the last one. Teal. Yay! Now your twig crayons are done. Let's pretend to draw something. Did you enjoy this video? Please hit the like button to cheer me up. And also, subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, friends. High five. Goodbye.